Hello and welcome, hope you're having a wonderful day. The low noise block, or LNB, is a critical part of the satellite TV system. Protecting its cable connection from rainwater is important, especially as the cable is passing in an electrical current through to power the LNB. Failure to do this could mean LNB failure or cable connection burning out, resulting in a loss of signal. Just about all universal LNBs have a pull-down protective cover to prevent the water from getting into those cable connections. It takes less than 5 seconds to pull down this protective cover than using electrical tape, and means the connection is protected from damage from rainwater, saving you from having to buy new LNBs and thus saving you money. Please place a like if you found the information in this video useful, and hit that subscribe button to be notified of future video releases and to help the channel grow. Thank you.